All right, simplify roots of negative numbers. Express the radical, that's a square root, using the imaginary unit I. Express your answer in simplified form. Okay, so we have a negative sign, so we know right away we're going to have an I outside. And then we have a square root. Now, we want to see if the 70 can be broken down at all, because we might be able to add a number out front. Like if it were just straight up 36, the answer would just be 6I. So we want to go through and see if we can find any values that are perfect square roots that go into 70. So remember, our perfect square roots, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, that's squared, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Okay. Now, we have 70. So let's write it here. So just start 70, divide by these numbers, and see if anything goes into it whole. So 70 divided by 1 is 70. 70 divided by 4 is a decimal. So we're not doing it. 70 divided by 9, decimal. 70 over 16, decimal. So nothing goes into it whole yet. 25 does not. And 36 does not. So there's nothing that goes into it whole. So if that's the case, our answer is just going to be 70 inside. So we're just moving the negative sign out. All right, next question. Okay, so this one we can pull a 36. 36 times 2 is 72. So I'll go to my board. So 72. So if I have the square root of 72, I can rewrite that as square root of 36 times the square root of 2. This equals 6. This equals 2. And we have a negative sign. So we'll pull an I out. So it's 6I radical, or square root, 2. So 16, that's just 4I. You know that one, at least hopefully. And what is our last one? Oh, we're only next yet. 30. So, nothing comes out. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 9 doesn't go into it. 16 does not. So we're just going to have an I outside, our radical, and 30 inside. And we're done.